Hello everyone, welcome to the Cloud Network. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. That's a 4.2.2 the version using Apache. You can also install this one in your Debian, Linux Mint, and also you can install Ubuntu 15.04 and 64-bit or 32-bit supported. You can also install in 14.04 and 14.010 also. So I'm going using with the Apache along with my phpmyadmin and also WordPress. So these are the three platforms that I'm going to installing in this tutorial. So let us first of all writing the PHP WordPress will having a very good of this one. So I'm going to show you these topics and explain installations in my Ubuntu that I am using 15.0. First of all, basic server configuration that I have done. Domain name you can see on screen on the red one color, localhost / wordpress.in. We need to edit the configuration file. We need to enter this domain name, like I am having the red color. An example below to that we can see step 1 is the below to this example is showing to 127.0.1 is the after the step 2 into ping, and then I'm going to install the lamp installation. So this is the command for this installation, and you can find the previously in my video I have installation on lamp also in my channel. Just you need to search and you need to find. So first of all we'll check for this host name update, then we'll move to the next step. So this is my Ubuntu 15.04 64-bit. First of all I am editing the configuration file. For that you need to type sudo / you can use nano or gid also, vi also you can use. I am using here nano and / it is c/host. Press enter, type the password for this present, and here you can see 127 is the localhost. Just go to this localhost and give a space, and you need to type here your domain name. That means you need to type here wordpress.lan. So this is my complete domain name, localhost space wordpress.lan is my domain name that I am giving. I am going to remove this one also to avoid any confusion. So press this save this file, and press Ctrl X, press Y to save this file. Okay, so that has been saved. Now we'll move to the next step. That means I'm going to ping this one to check whether it is working or not. Type wrd wordpress.lan and press enter. So you can see this pinging is replying here. So after that, and I'm going to edit the file. Now installation about the lamp. Now here I'm going to install in lamp. For that one you need to type sudo, give a space, and you need to type here apt-get install, and then you need to, so just type install, give a space, type apache 2, then give apache 2 -util, give space php 5. These are the dependency that I am going to install in here. mysql, and give mysql also I am installing here along with apache, php and mysql. So 3 at a time I am installing this dependency. Type -client and give space mysql-server, press enter. So okay, so here it's showing 133 18 MB going to be archived. I am pressing yes. If you want to press no, you can skip this one. For the new installation, it's asking the password for the mysql-server. So we need to you can also left the blank. I am giving password for the new mysql root. So press a tab to get this one. and repeat the same password. Please remember to remember this password, and this is MySQL root password I am setting, so that you whenever you enter into the MySQL database, you need to type this password. So that has been installed completely. Now we'll move to the next step here. I'm going to installing your that means phpmyadmin. For that one, sudo type apt-get install phpmyadmin. Press enter. Yes, for this one. So before to that one, we are configuring the PHP, so we need to choose the web server, so we like automatically to run the PHP. So I'm selecting the Apache only. So for that one, you need to click spacebar and press a tab to click OK. So right now I'm not going to configure the database configuration here, so I'm skip this one step. That means I'm not configuring any database for the phpmyadmin. So for that one, just later on I'm going to configure this one. Press tab to know and just go for the content installation. Now after phpmyadmin installation, now I'm going to make some accessibility for the web browsing access, so that our Apache web server needs to read the configuration. For that one, we need to copy the apache.configuration and to config the -enable. That means I'm going to copy some configuration file here. For that one, just clear this one, move up, need to type here sudo cp copied and /etc/phpmyadmin use apache .config, give a space /etc/apache2, then config, give available, and you need to press enter here. So that means it's going to be copied here. So that has been I have resolved. I was getting the error because of I didn't give here my domain name. So you need to provide any name here by giving this one, so you will be not get any kind of error resolve. So clear this one. Now we'll move to the sudo type mv move /etc/apache2 config available and use /apache .config, give space /etc/apache2 use config -available use phpmyadmin.conf. So this is the command. So after typing this command, press enter. Now this is my last command is to my enable the en config type phpmyadmin. So that's already enabled to enable config. We'll move to the next. So the installation of phpmyadmin web interface I have configured from step 4 to 8, that has been completed just now, you see. And let us check this step. Next one is to create a virtual host and Apache web server. For that one, this one is a command. We need to edit the configuration file for the wordpress.conf. In that one, I'm going to adding the port virtual host, like port number, then web server name, server admin. Then I'm going to activate the new version. That means we need to restart the Apache along with also. So clear this one, type sudo nano, give space /etc/apache2 /sites available wordpress. Okay, so in this way I'm going to edit the and writing the configuration file. So for that one, so in the new configuration file I have written this one and I have pasted. So for that one, just press Ctrl X and press Y to save this one. Oh, sorry. So you have to press Ctrl X, save as. Now we need to just restart these services site and to type wordpress.lan. Sorry. So it's showing that we need to run the service Apache also along with that one, service Apache to reload. So not reload, we need to type here sudo service Apache to restart. So that has been restart completed. We'll move to this next step. Now I am going to avoid that any future Apache error consistency server name, that means fully qualified name. With the step 12, 13, 14 is to just edit this, and we need to have the configuration, and then we need to restart again the Apache. After that we need to create a WordPress database. So just type here server name is equal to wordpress.lan and okay, sorry. So I forget, we need to edit the configuration file. So for that one, type /apache to type apache.conf, press enter. Go to the here last one line, we need to go to the last line. So in the last line I am adding this name, server name is equal to wordpress.lan. After saving this fully qualified name to avoid any future error in Apache, just save this file by pressing Ctrl X, Y, save this one. Now we need to restart the Apache here and type just type sudo service apache to restart the service. Now I am going to configure the WordPress database here. For that one, clear this one. So step 15, 16, 17 to install the WordPress, and we need to set the password for this. If you forget the MySQL means, this is a step 16, you can set the password, and for the installation is 17 step is there. 15 step is for logging for logging into MySQL. So I am going to type mysql-u-root is the username which we have entered, given the password for this MySQL. So press enter, it will ask the password for the root which we have given during the installation. Now you can see on screen this has been connected. If you forget means, there is a command sudo dpkg reconfigure space mysql-server. So in that way you can set the password for the MySQL if you have forgotten means. So we'll move to the next step is for installation of MySQL, type sudo, and then we need to wait. After exit we need to type the command for the installation, type sudo, we need to type mysql give -secure, then give _installation. Okay, press enter. So here for the installation of MySQL you need to type here everything yes. So that means you need to, if you want to set the current password for the root, so you can use, so just press yes. sorry, you need to type the password. Okay, you need to type y. So after typing the password for the root, if you want to change the password for the root, you can press yes. I am going to press no, and yes, remove anonymous user is there, and disallow login. Okay, yes. Remove any test database. Okay, yes. And reload any privileged table. Yes. So this is the setup completed. Now I am going to access the my PHP admin through the browser. Just we need to type the server IP address or virtual domain name with this username, root account and password. Through the command also is there. Just type mysql-root password and create a database. This is the command. Then you need to type exact whatever is showing here, you need to type and just press enter. So after that, the last one is your downloading and installing WordPress there. So step 19 to 26 is a procedure for downloading the WordPress and restarting the Apache, giving the permission. Then I'm going to access from the URL. Then the last one is the giving the permission. So to open in URL, first of all check the IP address of this one, 192.168.1010. Open your browser and just type here 192.168.0.10/phpmyadmin. Press enter. So we need to type user is a root password which we have given during the installation. Press OK. So that has been connected. Now you need to click on database here and you need to give a database name. So here you need to give a database name, like I'm giving WordPress. You can give any name here. You need to click on create now. That has been created WordPress. Click on the WordPress. You need to click here, check privilege here. After clicking on privilege, now there you need to, what you have to do is we need to add a new user. So on the below option you can see add user is there. In that, when I am going to create a database, like I am giving a name that cloud, I am giving name. You can give any name here, and the host name you need to give here, like localhost I am giving here. You can give IP address also. Okay, and then the password we need to give here. I am giving a, repeat the password, same password you need to give. You can generate the password also, and click to here and check this option also. And scroll down to check all this one. Just scroll down this one and check this all. After that you need to click to go now. So that has been added. Now we'll move to this. So in the command also you can create it. Just type is the mysql-root- login into the MySQL first of all, then click type create a database. If does not exist means, and then you need to give a username, localhost, identify the password, then you need to give flash. So step, just copy and paste this. You will find everything step this command in below to my video description box. And let's move to the next step, that is downloading the WordPress here. So for that one, clear this one. Okay, now I'm going to download the WordPress. For that one, type wordget http:// type www.wordpress.com/latest. So latest means that is going to be download the latest version. Sorry, here is the org is there. Okay, so use latest.tar.gz. Press the enter command, and it's the 6 is the MB size. If you type latest means it will be download your latest version for the WordPress here. So use your latest command, it will automatically detect the latest version. and download is 6 MB size. So now we'll move to our extract. Now the WordPress extract, copy all this into virtual domain root. That means type sudo and use star xzbf. So this will be extracted file. Type latest, press tab to get file and press enter. That's going to be extracted. Okay. Use ls to check. Here is there extracted, and here is my folder WordPress is there. The folder after the extract is create one folder. So I am going type sudo mkdir creating directory. That means one folder -p /var /ww. Use html, press enter. So then type sudo, copying this folder -r WordPress, use star, okay, var /ww, okay, then use html, press enter. So this one has been copied. Now we'll start some services. That means restarting here, type sudo services apache to restart. Let first restart the apache, okay, then we'll going to type sudo service, type mysql restart. Now type sudo for the permission you need to give, okay, chown -r, use www -data /var /ww html, press enter. So this is a permission I have given. Now giving the permission to, that means owner, this one 755 /var /ww html, press enter. So all this kind of permission I have given. Now I am going to open the browser here, and in that one I am accessing the file http:// using WordPress, and then type lan and use your /index.php. So you can see the WordPress is coming. You need to let's click on let's go. So database name is created by itself as a WordPress, and the name you need to give here cloud. The password I am giving 123. The localhost, okay. So just click to submit now. Okay, so sorry but cannot write the php. Okay, just ignore this one above file. Click to install now. Let's go. So my friend, I have resolved that error, and just what you have to do is, let me tell you how I have resolved that error. I make one configuration file here. Just type sudo nano var www.html wordpress-config. In that one, press enter, and you need to copy and paste this one file. Just copy and paste this file, and you will be save this one and exit this file. After exiting, just restart your Apache server, Apache to restart, and then you need to MySQL restart, both restart. After making a new configuration, just type sudo nano var www html wordpress-config.php. after that, you need to copy and paste that file. You will be fine when on this error during the configuring WordPress. Just paste that file and just restart Apache and MySQL both. After restarting, you need to click on run install now. it will be redirect to your welcome page. We need to set here the time and the password, email ID. So like I'm giving here, so just please provide the following information. Do not worry, you can always change this setting later also. So for that one also you can give here title like I'm giving networking videos. Okay, username will be the cloud. Okay, password I'm giving. Okay, email address I'm giving. Now scroll down and click to install WordPress now. After redirecting here, showing the cloud, and you choose the password. I am going to click on login here. So I am giving the user will be the cloud and the password. Login here. So my friend, here you can see the site of your WordPress. I am accessing here. I have been logging here. You can make your new blog here also. You can create a new website from here. Title your post, plugins, users, tools, settings here, pages, media, post, homes, update. You can customize your sites, write your own blog first and add about the page. In the coming video, in the next video, I will show you how to create this WordPress site and how can you configure the blog post, pages, site view, themes, customization, everything I can show. I will show you in my next video how to use your WordPress. So for any clarification, please comment below to my video and like us and share my video among your friends and relatives. Help to spread my channel, help to spread us my channel. And thank you for watching anti-cloud.net video. Please subscribe to Cloud9 channel.